Honesty is the best policy. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Honesty is the best policy not only because it brings luck, helps us overcome difficulties and succeed in life, but also because it is essential to building trust and forming meaningful relationships with others. When we are honest with ourselves and others, we create an environment of openness and trust, which allows for deeper connections and greater understanding. In addition, being honest with ourselves helps us to grow and learn from our mistakes, as we are able to see our flaws and work on improving them. Ultimately, honesty should be a guiding principle in our lives, as it leads us to live with integrity and authenticity. Moreover, being honest takes courage and requires us to be truthful, even in difficult situations. It may seem easier to tell a white lie or withhold information, but in the long run, it can damage our relationships and our own self-esteem. Honesty is not about being harsh or critical, but about being genuine and transparent. It is about taking responsibility for our action and being accountable for our words. When we are honest, we also inspire others to do the same and create a culture of trust and respect. Honesty is the foundation of a healthy and fulfilling life, and we should make a conscious effort to practice it daily. In essence, honesty is not just a virtue, but a way of life that brings happiness, success, and meaningful connection. So let us embrace honesty as the best policy and reap its endless benefits. Honesty also allows us to stand up for what we believe in and advocate for ourselves and others. When we are truthful about our values and beliefs, we can confidently speak out against actions or behaviors that go against them. This can lead to positive change and contribute to a better world. In addition, honesty promotes fairness and justice, as it ensures that everyone is held accountable for their actions and given equal opportunities. Honesty may not always be easy, but it is always the right thing to do. Let us continue to practice it in our daily lives and make the world a more honest and trustworthy place. Being honest can also lead to a sense of inner peace and contentment. When we are truthful with ourselves and others, we do not have to constantly worry about being caught in a lie or keeping up appearances. This frees up mental and emotional energy that can be used towards more fulfilling pursuits. Furthermore, honesty can lead to greater opportunities and success. People are more likely to trust and respect someone who is honest, which can open doors to new friendships, business deals, and career advancements. So let us continue to practice honesty in all aspects of our lives and reap the countless benefits it brings. Remember, honesty is the best policy. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.